Hello students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. If you are looking for MAT December 2023 guidance or online crash course, you can contact 8857004680. So Learn to Lead Academy, we are providing the best 25 days online crash course for the upcoming December MAT 2023 exam. If you want to score 600 plus in your first attempt, don't forget to enroll this online crash course batch. And now in this video, we are going to discuss few questions based on mensuration. So under mathematical skills part, definitely you can expect 2 to 3 questions based on mensuration part. Okay. So few important questions that were asked in the September Math 2023 question paper were discussed in this video. Now, let us see the first question. Two identical solid cubes of K units. Okay. I have K units or joined end to end. So here height of the cube will be k and length of the cube will be k plus k 2k and breadth of the cube will be same k. What is the volume in cubic units of the resulting cube? Void. Okay, so the resulting is what? Cuboid. If you join two cubes, you will get a cuboid. So volume of cuboid is nothing but length into breadth into height. Okay, length is 2k into breadth k into k. So your answer is 2k cube. Option A is your answer. Okay, now let us see the next question. The radius of a sphere whose volume is 12 pi centimeter cube. So what is the volume of a sphere? Sphere, you can take a globe as example. So volume of a sphere is nothing but 4 by 3 pi r cube. It is equal to 12 pi, which is given in the question. Pi you can cancel. So r cube is equal to 12 into 3 by 4. 4 1 times, here it is 3 times. So r cube is equal to 3 into 3, 9. Okay, right? So r cube is equal to, you can write as 3 square. R is equal to 3 square to the power 1 by 3. You can write it as 2 by 3 centimeter. So option C is your answer. Okay, next question. The volume of largest right circular cone that can be cut out from a cube of edge. Let us take a cube. Okay. I'm going to cut out the largest circular cone. Volume of the cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, so radius of the cone will be what? 2.1 centimeter. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 2.1 into 2.1 r square into height of the cone 4.2. So 7 and 2.1 you can cancel 0.3. And 3 and again 2.1 you can cancel 0.7. So your answer is 22 into 0.3 into 0.7 into 4.2. So what is 22 into 0.3? 22 into 3 is what? 66. So 6.6 into 0.7 into 4.2. Okay, 6.6 into 0.7 into 4.2. See, if you do this calculation, you'll get around 19.4. That is your answer. Okay, right? 6 into 4 is what? 24. 24 into 7. So 24 into 0.7, it will be less than 24. Less than 24, but it should be near 19.4 is the only option. Okay, now. Solid spherical ball fits exactly inside a cubical box of side 2A. Volume of the ball is. Okay, so volume of the sphere is 1 by 3 pi r cube. And if the side is 2A and radius will be A. So 1 by 3 pi A cube. Sorry. 4 by 3 pi r cube is your volume. So 4 by 3 pi A cube is your answer. Option B is your answer. I hope you got some ideas about how to solve questions based on mensuration. And these were the questions that were asked in the previous year MAT examination. If you are looking for 25 days online crash course for the upcoming MAT December 2023, kindly visit www.learntobemodern, or you can also contact 8870046080. All the best, please.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.